All right, so here's the code block that I contributed. This is for the maintenance option within scenario B, I believe. Okay, so just gonna go through it line by line. Here we have the header. About partway through the header, you enter the call type that you would like to use. That is read by the console and passed as a string to this choice variable. Connection is opened. Statement object is created. And then this first result set object is created by executing this query where you select name, sulfur content per pound, from coal, where the name is equal to the choice entered by the user. This next line here, this is the second result where, again, a statement object executes a query. This time we are getting the boiler ID and boiler age. Select boiler ID, purchase date from boiler, right join coal on boiler ID equals coal ID, where name plus choice, which is again the choice variable, and the choice variable followed by order by purchase underscore date ascending. So this is going to select all of the boiler IDs and purchase dates where the user's choice of coal is used in that boiler, using a foreign key in the database. And then we have two while loops that are going to execute next. This first one is for the first query, the first result one. And so while that result has lines to iterate through, it's going to pull the first result, result one. It's going to pull the first column from that result, which is the name of the coal, and it's going to pull the second column as well, which is going to be the rate of sulfur emitted by that coal. And that is going to, this next line is going to print out those two strings that are pulled from the result. All right, and then we have another header, boilers that use this coal. The next while loop, it does a very similar execution as the last while loop, except this time it's for the boiler ID and the boiler age. And then it's going to print the boiler ID and its age to the console. It's going to close the connection. All of this is within a try catch block. So the catch block is going to catch an exception if it's thrown and print that to the line. And then I have the next options below that catch block, so that if a user, breaks it while the try block is executing, you can still exit out of the menu and return to the main menu, or quit to go back one step in the program in the user face. And then we have a read from the console to get the user's input. That string that's read from the console is then going to be evaluated to determine whether it goes to the main menu, it quits, or it goes to the main menu as well. If you mess up your character, it'll just send you back to the main menu.